Hello, good morning students. So welcome back. I hope yesterday whatever we have studied you have understood. Now today we are going to study area of some special quadrilaterals, and that is rhombus. Okay, and again we are going to study that with the help of triangulation method. Okay, so suppose PQRS is rhombus, and so we can draw the diagonal of that rhombus. Okay, so I join this QS, diagonal QS. Okay, now and another diagonal PR. We know the property of diagonals of rhombus. They are perpendicular bisectors of each other. Okay, so suppose this point where they intersect is T, right? Now here they are perpendicular bisectors. So this is 90. So automatically PT is the height for this triangle and TR is the height for this triangle. So triangulation method, with that triangulation method we will try to find out area of rhombus. Now here in triangle PQR, area of triangle, not PQR, PQS, area of triangle PQS, that is equal to half into base. Here base is QS, okay, multiplied by PT, where PT is the height. Do you get it? And area of triangle SRQ, that is equivalent to half. So this triangle, again the base is SQS into, now here the height is TR. Okay, now area of rhombus PQRS is equivalent to area of triangle PQS plus area of triangle SRQ. Okay, so that is equivalent to half into QS into PT plus half into QS into TR. Now what is common? Half and QS, both are common. So take them out. So half into QS and in bracket, what is left? PT plus TR. Now PT plus TR is what? Diagonal PR. So I can have half into QS into PR. Reason? P dash T dash R. Okay, now what is QS? Diagonal. What is PR? Diagonal. So if I know the lengths of the diagonal, I can find area of the rhombus. Okay, so area of rhombus that is equal to half into D1 multiplied by D2, where D1 is diagonal 1 and D2 is diagonal 2. So if I know the lengths of both the diagonals, I can find area of the rhombus. So I got formula for area of rhombus. Suppose if lengths of both the diagonals are given, that if D1 is equivalent to 8 centimeters and D2 is equivalent to 7 centimeters. What will be the area of rhombus? So area of rhombus will be equivalent to half into d1 into d2, that is product of the diagonals, that is equivalent to half into 8 into 7. So 2 1s are 2 4s are 8, 7 4s are 28 centimeter square. That is what the area of the rhombus is. Okay. Now next is think, discuss and write. Think, discuss and write. A parallelogram is divided into two congruent triangles by drawing a diagonal across it. We have seen it. Okay. Can we divide a trapezium into two congruent triangles? Now see here. In case of parallelogram, what happens? Opposite pairs of sides, they are congruent and parallel, and so we are able to divide it into two congruent triangles by drawing a diagonal. But that does not happen in case of trapezium, because in case of trapezium only one pair of opposite sides is parallel and it is not congruent also. It is only parallel, and hence it is not possible to divide trapezium into two congruent triangles by drawing diagonal. Okay, so we'll write here. Okay, so think, discuss and write. I've read the question. I'm just writing the answer here. Page number 175. In parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel and congruent. Hence, we can divide it into two congruent triangles by drawing a diagonal. But in case of trapezium, only one pair of opposite sides is parallel. Hence, it is not possible to divide the trapezium into two congruent triangles by drawing a diagonal. Okay. Now try these on page 175. Now see, try this page 175. First one, you have to find the areas of these quadrilaterals, figure 11.14. Okay, so from that I am solving first one. Now if you see here, this diagonal is given and this height is given. So how to find area? Yes. Area of quadrilateral ABCD equals to what? Half into D into H1 plus H2. Diagonal is given and the two heights are given. Okay. So general formula for general quadrilaterals, area of general quadrilaterals. Okay. So half. What is the length of the diagonal? 6. H1 plus H2. So 3 plus 5. Okay. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. So 3 into 5 plus 3, 8. So 8 threes are 24 centimeter square. Right? So therefore area of quadrilateral ABCD is 24 centimeter square. Okay. Now, so dear students, second and third, from that, try to solve that as homework. Okay. Now, let's move to the next part, area of polygon. Now see, to find out area of polygon, so I have drawn here two polygons. Actually it is same, pentagon, okay, and we are supposed to find out area of this. So how can we do? So for that what we are supposed to do? Again, triangulation method. So you try to form the triangles. So for that what you can do? Draw diagonals. What you do? Draw diagonals of this. Okay. So for example, suppose this is the first diagonal, AC. Then what we can do? Draw this another diagonal. Okay. So here, if I drop here perpendicular, I will get here perpendicular. So this is first triangle. I can drop the perpendicular here. Height, I should be able to get the height of it, of the triangle. So three triangles I have formed. Okay. So all three triangles, if I know the base and height, I can find the area and add them. I will get the area of this polygon, that is pentagon. Now, there is another method also. So what do you do? Draw this diagonal. This is triangulation method. Again we are following the same, but here we can get some other different figures also. Here, drop the perpendicular. You will get two perpendiculars here. Okay? And this is triangle. So drop one more perpendicular. Now, carefully see this figure. AEDC. What it is? Yes, trapezium. And I know the formula to find out trapezium. So it can happen that you may be able to divide that particular polygon into triangles as well as trapeziums. And then you can utilize that to find out the area of that polygon. So that is what the basic is. I have got triangle and I have got a trapezium. Or you can form the triangles as well. It doesn't matter. Okay. How you use the technique, it depends on your understanding. And it depends upon your simplicity. Okay. Which method you feel easy. Okay. Now, let us try to try these examples from page number 176. Now see what they say. Question 1, try these. Divide the following polygons, figure 11.17, both of them I have drawn on the board, into parts, triangles and trapezium, to find out its area. You are just supposed to divide them so that we can find out the area. Not necessary to find out. You are just supposed to divide it. So what you can do? Drop here perpendicular. Okay. Drop here perpendicular. Do you get it? And drop here perpendicular. So this is what? Trapezium. Okay. This figure here this figure is trapezium. Okay, and this is a triangle, this is a triangle, and this is also a triangle. Do you understand? So if I know the lengths, I can find out the area. Now lengths are not given, so no need, only you are supposed to divide. Now here, what I can do, drop the perpendiculars here. Okay. You may have some other concepts also, you can use them. Okay, you may have some other thinking, so that is also acceptable. Okay, now you get this two, this is also trapezium, or in other words, you get two trapeziums here. Okay, this is one trapezium and this is another trapezium. This is height. Okay, or this is triangle, and now this, if it is exact parallel, then it can be a rectangle, otherwise no. Okay, here it looks, so it can be a rectangle or a square depending upon the length. Then these two are triangles. Okay, so you get here two trapeziums whose areas you can find out and add them to get the area of the polygon MNO PQR. Same way here, you get here trapezium and triangles, find the areas of them, add them, you will get the area of polygon EFGHI. Okay, now after that we'll move to third example. Second one, do it as homework. Now see the same figure, third one. Find the area of polygon MNO PQR, figure 11.19. If MP is 9, MD is 7, MC is 6, MB is 4, MA is 2, NA, OC, QD and RB. These are the perpendiculars to diagonal MP. Now you can see these two are trapeziums, these are triangles. So we need to find out area of these all. But for that, there are certain requirements. To find out area of this, what I need, height is there, I need AM, it is given. We will go step by step. Now, to find out this, these two parallel sides are given and this is the height AC. I don't have that AC. So I need to find out AC. Okay, so how to find AC? So that is the question. Am I right? So to get AC, what can we do? MP MA is given, AM is 2 centimeter, okay, and CP is also not given, okay, CM is given, yes, MC is given, MC is given, MA is given. So if I subtract MA from MC, I can get AC. Let us do that. Okay, so AC is equal to MC minus MA. Okay, reason M dash A dash C. Okay, what is MC? MC is 6. What is MA? 2. So AC is equivalent to 4 centimeters. Okay, so I got AC. Now in this triangle, I want to know CP. Is CP given? CP is not given. So I need to find out CP. Now I know MP and I know MC. So if I subtract MC from MP, I will get, yes, CP. So CP is equivalent to MP minus MC. Again M dash C dash P. Okay. Now what is MP? MP is given 9 centimeters. And what is MC? 6. So that is, you get CP is equal to 3 centimeters. Okay. 9 minus 6, 3 centimeters. Now, what is required? For this triangle, MB. Is MB given? Yes, MB is given. I know height. Now, for this trapezium, what I need? These two parallel sides I know, but I don't know BD. So, I need to find out BD. So, how to find out BD? Okay, so, see here, MD is given and MB is given. So, MD minus MB, that is equal to BD. Okay, so, BD is equal to MD. MD minus MB. So, reason M dash B dash D. Okay. So, what is MD? MD is given 7 centimeters. And measurement of MB 4 centimeters. So, that is equal to 3 centimeters. Now, come to this triangle. I don't know DP. Okay. DP is not given. So, how to find DP? So, simple. MP minus MD. I know MD. MD is given 7. Okay. So, MP I know. I can find out DP. So, DP is equal to MP minus MD. Reason M dash D dash V. Okay. Now, what is MP? MP is given to be 9 centimeters. What is MD? MD is 7. And 9 minus 7, 2 centimeters. This is point number 4. Now we can use this. Okay. Now see. First we will find out area of triangle MAN. We will go step by step, dear students. So, area of triangle MAN, that is half into base, that is MA, into height, that is AN. Right? Now, what is MA? We know MA. MA is given 2 centimeters. And AN is 2.5. Am I right? Okay. So, 2 ones are 2. So, 1 into 2.5. What is that? Oh yes, 2.5 centimeters. Okay. Now, after that, area of trapezium ACON. Area of trapezium ACON, that is equal to half into sum of the parallel sides. Which are the parallel sides? AN and CO. Okay. So, AN plus CO into, what is the height? AC is the height. Okay. Into AC. Now, that is equivalent to half into length of AN 2.5. Length of CO 3. And what is the length of AC? We have determined here 4 centimeters. Okay, so it becomes easy. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Right? So 2.5 plus 3, that is 5.5 into 2. Okay. Now, so that is equivalent to 5 twos are 10, 1 carry on. 5 twos are 10, 10 plus 1, 11. So, decimal point after 1 digit. So, 11.0 square centimeters. That is area of this trapezium. Now, area of triangle OCP. That is equal to half into base. Base is what? CP. Height is what? CO. Okay. Now, that is equivalent to half into, what is the length of CP? We have determined here, 3 centimeters. Okay. And CO. CO is given 3 centimeters. Oh my God. Now, what has happened? We cannot divide it, right? So, 9 upon 2. 3 things are 9. And 9 upon 2 means what? 4.5 square centimeters. So this part is completed. Now let us go to this part, downward part. So first triangle, area of triangle MBR, that is equal to half into base. Base is what? MB. Into height. Height is what? BR. Okay. Now half into MB. Is MB given? Yes, of course it is given. 4 centimeters. And what is the length of BR? 2.5. Right? So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. And 25 twos are 50. Decimal point after 1 digit. So 5 centimeter square. Okay. Then next figure is trapezium. So area of trapezium BRQD. Now that is equal to half into sum of the parallel sides. So these two are the parallel sides, BR and DQ, right? So BR plus DQ into height. Height is what? BD. Okay. Now, what is the length of BR given? Yes, BR is given 2.5. What is the length of DQ given? 2 centimeters. And what is the length of BD? We have determined BD, 3 centimeters. Right. Now, that is equal to half into 2.5 plus 2, that is 4.5 into 3. My God, my God. So, not divisible, right? So, what can we do? Multiply. 5 3s are 15, 1 carry on. 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 1, 13. Decimal point after 1 digit. So, 13.5 upon 2. Right? Now divide it. 2 6 are 12. 1 carry on. 1 remainder. Okay. Now, decimal point. So, 15. 2 7s are 14 and 2 5s are 10. Okay. So 6.75. 2 6 are 12. 1 remainder. Decimal point it becomes 15. 2 7s are 14. 1 remainder 0 10. 2 5s are 10. So 6.75 square centimeters. Right. Now what is that? Area of triangle QDP. So that is equivalent to half into dP into dQ. This is what? dP. Height is what? dQ. Now, what is the base length? dP. Have we determined? Yes, 2. What is dQ? 2. Right? So 2 ones are 2 and left is 2 centimeter square. Now can we find out? Yes, now we can find out area of polygon. Area of polygon. What is the name? MNOPQR is equivalent to area of triangle MAN plus area of trapezium. Area of trapezium ACON plus area of triangle DCP, sorry, not DCP, OCP, okay, and plus area of triangle MBR plus area of trapezium BRQD and plus area of triangle QDP. Okay. Now here I'll just rub this side, okay, so that we can add them. I'll rub this figure. So area of polygon. MNOPQR equals to area of triangle MAN. What it is? 2.5. I'm writing here down. Okay. So 2.5 plus area of quadrilateral ACON. So 11 plus area of triangle DCP 4.5 plus area of triangle MBR 5 plus area of trapezium BRQD 6.75 and plus area of triangle QDP. It is how much? QDP 2. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. So that is equivalent to, now see, 0.75. So 5, then 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. 1 carry on. Okay. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. 2 carry on. 2 plus 1, 3. So 30.75 square centimeters. You can check it. We'll write it like this. Vertical, so there is no mistake. Okay. So 11.0. Then 4.5. Then 5.0. Then 6.75. And then 2. Add them. 5. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 7, 17. 1 carry on. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 4, 7 plus 5, 12. Plus 6, 18. 20, 21. Oh, sorry. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 3 plus 4, 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. 20, 21. 2. Oh yes, 31 it is. Okay. So 31.75 centimeter square. You can check the answer again, verify it. Okay. So dear students, I hope you have understood how to do this. Now I will write the homework on the board, what it is. So dear students, this is the homework. Try this page 175 second and third, and try this page 176 second one. So I hope whatever examples I have discussed here you have understood. If you have any doubts, definitely you can contact me and try to do these as homework. Okay. So let us stop here today. We'll meet in our next period. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.